Here's one of the best tips I could possibly give anybody who has to do one of these things or talk about your book. When I ask you, what's your book about?
Hmm.
You need to have thought about this in advance, and you need to take whatever your book is about and you need to be able to say it in 10 words or less.
Yes.
What do you want the audience to do, think, or feel after they read your book? And if you can clarify it in those terms, then if you can't clarify it in those terms, how in the heck am I going to know what your book about when you can't explain what your book is about? Well, the writers conference is going to get a preview of part of this program. It's called the Lean In Factor, and what I'm really trying to do with that is show entrepreneurs, which is what writers are, how to have comfortable conversations that are authentically you, that are designed to draw people in, so you never have a cold call, you never have an uncomfortable call with a stranger. Because what I found in working with hundreds of entrepreneurs in the last, what the key is here to realize is that everything that in life that's good for you, if you go back to the first date that you had with your spouse, the first time you thought about having children, the first time you started to write a book, or the first time you got a book in there, you felt that discomfort, that thumping in
Hmm.
your chest. And people fear that. Oh my God, I can't talk to her. She's too pretty. How often did we say that in high school? Uh, uh, that feeling is not your heart telling you not to do something. It's your dreams knocking on your heart's door saying, open up your heart to let this in, because you're about to accomplish something really great in life if you act on it.